Well, hello YouTube, I'm back, and, well, my exams are done, so I have time now, and it's summer vacation-ish. Yeah, we have a week of extra vacation, until we need to go out for our reports and all that stuff, but anyway. I thought, why not make a project? And yeah, the title will be like Project 1, changing computer to computer stuffy thing. Because, well, in an earlier uploaded video, I bought this HD, yeah, stuff in this bag. I don't know what it is, but whatever. 5850, it works fine, no problem, it's good. But, and I was going to play it in that HP case, but I had an epic fail, as in, this card is longer than its stock one, so yeah, it's not going anywhere in there. So I was searching for a case. I got a couple of cases, but none of them worked. Not my old computer. My mom brought it home from school because I needed it for something. So I fixed it, and it could go back to her school, her class. But the case is pretty big and clumsy and kind of makes a noise. So I was like, wait. Yeah, it's also too wide because of that. Yeah, look, that is not how it's supposed to be. And here, well, yeah, space enough. So I was like, wait, can it fit in there? So took the GPU, tried it, and well, look, it kind of fits. But the main thing is, I can remove this as I don't need it because the HD is a 2.5-inch one. I put it somewhere. Yeah, but HD is random. So okay, whatever. And it was like, oh, free black screws. Oh, okay. So I was like, yeah, that can work. So I'm just gonna transfer these things over. And see if it works. So that's the project. I know it's gonna be hell for these two to transfer, as this HP has this special thing to attach, and that's just a normal backplate. So might be backplateless. Who knows? And yeah, this PCU. HP, get stuff right for once, please, would you? Don't use non-stock things. Good thing is this, pretty easy to set up, nothing special. It's slide with a screw and it's done. And hopefully it attaches all great, because I have no clue. Because look at this mess. Also, this connector is bigger. I have no clue what this connector is for. It's for these front thingies, but that goes on to that thingy, which this thingy doesn't have. So I don't know. No, it doesn't have it. So that thingy is not gonna work great, and it's just odd. I just don't know anymore. Maybe I shouldn't transfer that thing over, because, yeah, what if it fails? And I just tidy it up. So yeah, it's gonna suck. Those MB, they're split up, and that thing is together, so it's not gonna function like it's supposed to. So maybe it's actually a better idea to pull that stuff out. Yeah, actually, this thing is in my way anyway. So I think I might actually pull this thing out. because it's not too horrible, hopefully. Well, it doesn't fit in that case. Oh my god. What did I hook myself up to? Wait a minute. Yeah, this is not made for it. This video was not prepared at all. That case. That's an interesting little thing. It's a Pentium-free thing. So, may work. Then again, not. I'm just gonna take it out anyway. I'm just gonna take it out on the fly. Look. Oh my god, it's small. Ow! Hit a label print. Yeah, that's a label printer. It functions, but it doesn't print. Because it's old and the driver support sucks. And it actually doesn't exist anymore. It doesn't even have a drive. So wait, this thing goes open in the weirdest way. You first, this is not coming off easily. You see this? Command hard drives stuff. Then you do something like this. Bend your screwdriver, break it up, break your screwdriver. Oh my god. I'm just gonna place the camera just here. It's actually sitting. Oh, my computer's on. Oh my god, how does this happen? Oh, it's a complete slider. It's a... Wait. Is it really a slide? I don't remember doing this. Nothing happened. Okay, that was weird. So, to the camera. Maybe the PSU goes here. Okay. Around a hard drive. Well, that cage is out. And look, here, this is total. Ow, sorry. This is epic. It's a Pentium 3 with a black. Oh, hey, feet. Black PCB. Is your mind blown yet? Cause black PCB, extremely ultra rare. Like that never happens. Hey, the connector is gonna go in there. Cool. I can just switch these things out because black PCB. Do you need to read it? Black. What was it? Some sort of record. Cool. It's a black PCB. That's legendary. Black. That's the lit. I'm never gonna sell that because it's too awesome. So, change the plans. That thing is gonna go in there. I'm gonna switch these. Yeah, look, that previously uploaded video just done. It's about that HE550. I'm gonna upload it while doing this video. So, yeah, it's a diskette reader thingy. So, I'm gonna try to fit these in, and it seems like I got enough room for a PC. Actually, oh, it's 300 watts. Come on, cool. Good. It's 300 watts. So, this seems interesting. And I'm getting a tripod eventually. Just to you know. Also, this motherboard seems pretty large, but that case is full ATX, so shouldn't worry about it. It's epic, cool. So this is gonna be a multi-part video. One, so I don't need a cord to get Movie Maker to make a good looking video. 2, it's gonna be too large. And 3, I gotta really stop because I'm over my 10-minute mark. So yeah, see you in the next part.